YouTube, Vic's Pick and Lock. I've just put this little bit in on the beginning of the video. The camera's playing up and I've got a different angle shot. I apologise for it, but there's not a lot I can do. I'm using the second camera and I've managed to get this little bit for you. There's a shot of all my mess. Anyway, please bear with the video. There's a couple of points I want to put over Vic's Pick and Lock. Hello YouTubes, Vic's Pick and Lock. Right, I'm not going to be picking no locks today. I did start off and I buggered one up. I'll give a couple of shout outs first. First one goes to Wes Picks. I see Wes picking one of these aces. It's a removable core, but there's two of them and they're keyed alike. Wes told me that he got his from eBay, and I ain't got an eBay account, so I used Amazon. Exactly the same price. Even the keys are the same. So thanks for that one, Wes, and I appreciate it. I'll put a link in for your channel. The other one is for Cherokee. Cherokee's just passed the 100 subs, so well done on that. And she's doing a giveaway, so she wants lots of people to enter. And if you have not subbed to Wes or Cherokee, give them a sub, because they're pretty good lock pickers. And I'm going to put a link for both people in the description at the beginning of the video. And I wish them all the best of luck. Lastly, this thing here. It's a cheapo, made in China, and the key says secure fast. Yeah, I bought a load of these in like a Yales style, which would be something like this, and they was all keyed alike. And it's basically get your pick, put it in, turn it and it'd open. You didn't really need a key. But I'm just going to tell people about this one and warn them, because it's got a fishbone core. And when you pick them, you've got to shim them, because people say always shim. Use this old one. And when you do shim it, turn it back straight so that it's lined up. Otherwise the pins will jump down the side and you end up with this. Anyway, let me pick them up. I don't know if you can see all that. Whoops. They all got caught. I did one lock a few months ago. I ended up going through about 15 pins on the bloody thing. Not pins, springs. So if you ever come across a cheap Chinese fishbone core, my advice is throw it in the bin, because I won't be doing that one. So that's it. I'll keep it short and sweet this week, because I'm in the process of making some more challenge locks. I ain't put these together yet. Please like this, pass it on to your friends, let them know. You tell them how good I am or how crap I am, I don't care. And I say best of luck to Wes Picks, and I forgot her name now. But the description's going to be in there, and hit up Cherokee. Go and look at her channel and enter her giveaway. Okay, that's me. Pix.